The biggest myth in e-commerce is that you need a huge budget to build a premium-looking Shopify store. And a lot of beginners tell themselves, I'll improve the branding later, I'll upgrade the design once I start making money, my store looks cheap because I don't have enough resources yet. But that's usually not the real issue. Some of the highest converting Shopify stores are actually simple. What makes them feel premium is intentionality. The branding feels cohesive, the layout feels clean, the visuals feel thoughtful, and the shopping experience feels smooth. And customers notice that immediately. Two stores can sell almost exactly the same product, but one that feels more premium will almost always convert better, build more trust, charge higher prices, and create stronger long-term branding. What's going on, guys? My name is Kyle from Shopify Mastery. In this video, we're going to break down exactly how to make your Shopify store look premium, even if you're working with a small budget. And honestly, a lot of these changes are simpler than most people think. Let's get into it. Premium stores feel intentional. One thing I noticed immediately when looking at Shopify stores is whether the brand feels intentional or rushed, because customers can feel effort. Even if they don't consciously analyze your design choices, they emotionally react to them. A rush store usually feels cluttered, inconsistent, random, low effort, or temporary. Meanwhile, premium stores feel controlled. The spacing feels deliberate, the visuals feel curated, the colors feel connected, nothing feels accidental. And honestly, this is one of the biggest mindset shifts Shopify store owners need to make. You are not just building a website. You are creating an experience because customers do not just buy products online. They buy feelings. That's why luxury branding works so well. Premium brands create emotional reactions before customers even understand details of the product. The experience itself communicates value. Think about brands like Apple. Even before reading anything, the experience feels premium. Clean layouts, minimal design, strong visuals, intentional spacing, and a calm presentation. Nothing feels chaotic, and honestly, that emotional calmness matters because premium brands feel confident. They don't feel desperate for attention. A lot of new Shopify stores accidentally create the opposite feeling. Too many banners, too many pop-ups, too many colors, too many things competing for attention. And instead of feeling exciting, it feels overwhelming. Premium stores understand restraint. That's a huge difference. Simplicity usually looks more expensive. The biggest mistake that beginners make is assuming that adding more things makes a store look more professional. It usually does the opposite. Too many sections, too many animations, fonts, colors, too many products on the homepage. All of that creates visual noise. And visual noise reduces perceived quality. One thing premium brands understand extremely well is simplicity. Not boring simplicity, but focused simplicity. Every section has a purpose. Every image supports the brand identity. Every piece of text feels intentional. Nothing feels unnecessary. And honestly, some of the most premium Shopify stores are surprisingly minimal. They use clean layouts, large visuals, strong white space, simple typography, focused messaging, because simplicity creates sophistication. One thing I always notice with lower quality Shopify stores is that they try too hard to impress visitors immediately. Huge sliders, flashing sale banners, aggressive countdown timers, pop-ups appearing every few seconds. And honestly, that usually creates distrust instead of excitement. Premium brands don't need to scream. They rely on confidence. That's why one of the fastest ways to make your store look more premium is actually removing unnecessary clutter. Simplify your homepage, reduce distractions, and create breathing room. Because breathing room creates elegance. Your branding needs emotional consistency. Yes, consistency is one of the huge differences between premium stores and average stores. A lot of Shopify stores feel emotionally disconnected. The logo feels modern, but the typography feels playful. The homepage feels premium, but the product page feels messy. The color palette does not match the emotional tone of the niche. Everything feels slightly random. Premium brands feel cohesive. Everything works together: the color, the typography, the imagery, the tone of voice, the layouts, and the photography style. And honestly, emotional consistency matters more than complexity. A very simple store can still feel incredibly premium if everything aligns emotionally. One thing I always notice with strong Shopify brands is that they understand their emotional identity clearly. Maybe the brand feels luxurious, minimalist, creative, athletic, calm, modern, outdoorsy, or futuristic. But there's a clear emotional direction behind everything. And customers subconsciously feel that. That emotional consistency builds trust very quickly because organized brands feel more professional and professional brands feel safer to buy from. Typography quietly changes everything. Most people underestimate how much typography affects perception because fonts dramatically change how expensive a store feels. One of the fastest ways to make a Shopify store feel cheaper is using too many fonts, hard to read typography, inconsistent sizing, overly decorative fonts, and weak spacing. Premium brands usually keep typography clean. Simple font combinations, strong readability, consistent hierarchy, and honestly, spacing matters just as much as the font does. Luxury brands understand white space extremely well. They allow text to breathe, nothing feels cramped. One thing I recommend is limiting yourself to 1 or 2 font families maximum. That alone instantly creates a cleaner, more premium aesthetic. And honestly, many beginners overcomplicate typography because they think creative means adding more styles. But premium branding usually feels controlled, not chaotic. Product photography controls perceived value. Online shopping is visual. Customers cannot physically touch your product, so your photography becomes the product experience. And honestly, imagery probably affects perceived value more than almost anything else on your store page. Weak product photos instantly reduce trust. Dark lighting, inconsistent editing, blurry images, supplier photos that everyone is using, all of these things make products feel cheaper. Meanwhile, premium Shopify brands understand that photography is not just about showing products. It's about creating desire. Lifestyle imagery is especially powerful because it creates emotional visualization. Instead of just seeing a jacket, customers imagine themselves wearing it. Instead of just seeing a coffee machine, they imagine their morning routine. Instead of seeing skincare products, they imagine feeling more confident. That emotional visualization increases perceived value dramatically. And honestly, you do not need expensive cameras to improve your visuals significantly. Natural lighting alone can dramatically improve product photos. Consistency matters even more. Matching backgrounds, matching editing styles, matching visual tone. Those small improvements completely change how professional your store feels. One thing I always notice with premium Shopify brands is that their photography creates atmosphere. It creates identity, and identity creates memorability. Color psychology matters more than most people realize. A lot of Shopify stores use too many colors. Bright red here, neon blue there, random green buttons, different accent colors everywhere. And honestly, it creates visual confusion. Premium stores usually use very controlled color palettes. Now obviously, this depends on the niche. A fitness brand may use more contrast. A luxury skincare brand may use softer tones. A tech brand may use darker modern palettes. But the key is intentionality. The colors should support the emotional identity of the brand, not compete against it. Neutral palettes often feel premium because they create calmness. So black, white, beige, gray, or muted earth tones. But honestly, it's less about specific colors and more about consistency. Premium brands use color strategically, not randomly. And one of the fastest ways to improve your store aesthetically is reducing unnecessary color usage, because controlled palettes create sophistication. Your homepage should feel curated. A huge mistake that Shopify stores make is trying to show everything immediately. Too many featured products, too many collections, banners, and text. And instead of feeling premium, the homepage feels crowded. Premium stores feel curated, intentional, and they guide attention naturally. Every section exists for a reason. One thing I always notice with luxury Shopify brands is that they trust simplicity. They don't overload visitors with too many choices, because too many choices creates decision fatigue. and decision fatigue hurts conversions. A curated homepage feels more confident, more premium, more focused. The best exercise you can do is asking yourself, what sections are actually necessary? Removing unnecessary sections often improves premium perception immediately. Mobile experience quietly affects premium perception. Most customers shop on mobile now. It heavily influences whether your brand feels professional or not. If your mobile store feels frustrating, awkward spacing, tiny text, weird image cropping, menus that feel clunky, and pop-ups covering the screen, the entire brand instantly feels less premium. Smoothness matters, and premium brands feel effortless to use. Easy navigation, easy scrolling, easy readability. And one thing I always recommend is spending time browsing your own store on a mobile like a customer. Not as the owner, but as a shopper, because you'll immediately notice friction points, awkward layouts, unnecessary clutter, and confusing sections. And those small friction points quietly damage brand perception. Remove cheap-looking sales tricks. This is a massive one. A lot of Shopify stores accidentally make themselves look less premium because they rely too heavily on aggressive conversion tactics. Fake countdown timers, spammy urgency, huge flashing sale banners, and constant pop-ups. Customers recognize these tactics immediately because people have seen these tricks thousands of times. Premium brands usually feel calmer, more controlled, more intentional, more confident, because confidence creates trust, and trust creates conversions. Think about premium brands like Apple or high-end fashion stores. They don't scream at customers constantly. They rely on presentation, branding, visuals, product quality, and user experience, instead of pressure tactics. Removing aggressive clutter from your store can completely transform how expensive it feels overnight. Premium stores focus on experience, not just products. A lot of Shopify store owners focus primarily on products, but premium brands focus on experience. How does the store feel to navigate? How does the imagery feel emotionally? How does the packaging feel when it arrives? How does the customer journey feel overall? Because premium branding is rarely about emotional experience. That's what customers remember. And honestly, experience creates loyalty far more effectively than aggressive discounts ever will. You do not need a huge budget. You need better decisions. This is the most important mindset shift in the entire video. A premium Shopify store is usually not the result of spending more money. It's the result of making more intentional choices. Cleaner layouts, better spacing, more cohesive branding, stronger visuals, simpler structure. These things matter more than expensive features. Many beginners waste money chasing complexity, while ignoring the fundamentals that actually affect perception. Because premium branding is not about adding more. It's about refining better. Small improvements compound into premium perception. One thing that's important to understand is that premium perception is usually built through small improvements stacking together. Better typography, cleaner spacing, higher quality imagery, simpler layouts, more consistent branding, better mobile experience, and smoother navigation. Each improvement slightly increases perceived value. And together, those improvements completely transform how customers emotionally experience your store. That's how premium Shopify brands are built. Not through gimmicks, through intentional refinement over time. And if you're using your Shopify store right now, make sure to use the Shopify Mastery link in the description. When you use our link, you can get your first month for just $1 and earn up to $10,000 in credits, which is an incredible way to start your business without the huge upfront costs. Just click the link below, enter your email, and click Start Free Trial. And you'll be inside your Shopify dashboard in minutes. If you focus on creating a premium experience early, instead of only chasing quick sales, you'll already be ahead of most Shopify beginners. The truth is, premium Shopify stores are usually not winning because they spend the most money. They're winning because they understand perception. They understand branding, consistency, presentation, emotional experience, visual identity. And honestly, customers can feel the difference immediately because premium branding is emotional before it's logical. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to Shopify Mastery for more videos on Shopify branding, conversion psychology, store optimization, and e-commerce growth. Just so you know, these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small referral fee at no extra cost to you. Using these links helps support the channel so we can continue bringing you free content just like this. Let us know which topics you would like us to cover next by commenting down below. My name is Kyle from Shopify Mastery. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.